This is the opening video of the 2026 model of the Fighter Mini Pro. Teverun has really made many unique upgrades to it. Without further ado, let's open it up.
In terms of component quality, the inclusion of a Bosch motor sorts and a Samsung battery gives this product robust power and ample range. And the biggest upgrade for the 2026 model is the newly launched 2.0 system. We can see the landscape display that clearly distinguishes it from the previous generation, along with the rich new features and the updated app. In other aspects, Teverun maintains its consistent high-quality design, KKE adjustable hydraulic suspension, full hydraulic disc brakes, and at this price point, the Fighter Mini Pro has surpassed even their flagship models. Alright, that wraps up this unboxing review. From every angle, I believe the Fighter Mini Pro is a choice you can trust. The build quality, the design, and the software all meet the standard of an excellent e-scooter.